Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Jack's Garage. It's Jock and I'm on my way to Kyle's to do a couple of little things. So we're just doing like a little vlog style today. If you do like this style more than, you know, the speed up versions and stuff like that of all the working out on the cars, let me know, or you know, put it in the comment, leave it like, sub, all that good stuff. But yes, but if you do like, you know, a bit of both, then you know, let us know as well. Like as much interaction as possible helps us grow this channel to be better every single day. So thank you to all the comments so far. We do read them all, and yeah, today's going to be just vlog style, get a couple of things done over at Kyle so we can you know, get us moving forward. Yo, what's going on?
Just getting the steering put in.
Oh yeah, the knuckle?
Yeah, I'm missing the uni, so just fitted that in. One step closer.
Sweet, so we got steering now.
Got steering now.
In and out, engine bay. What else are we doing today? What do we got?
Yeah, we've got to pull the engine down. Not really pull down, we're going to give it a bit of clean off, degrease it, get it all ready for a reassembly. That'll be soon. Gonna send the head away, get that organised, and you know, all the fun stuff.
Sweet. Sounds like an epic montage time.
Yeah. I mean, you know, do a bit of a walk around. You know, show you guys what we're doing, have a bit of fun with it.
So, what are the future plans?
Alright, so, well firstly, the space is 9.5 metres deep by 9.5 metres wide. Obviously the 9.5 metres will go all the way along. We've got a bit of a workshop area set up with the engine at the end there. There's a bit of bench space, close to the tools, PowerPoints and whatnot. Got a cabinet for, you know, cleaning products, power tools, stuff that's ready for us when we need it. Close to the door, we have working out the back. Yeah, pretty much like I said, we had the floor epoxied. Easy to keep clean, store oil, fluids. You know, always works for like a nice clean working space. The goal was always, you know, to try and fit as many cars as we can in here. We can fit 4 cars in here if we need to. It is a bit tight, but heaps of room for when we fit 3 cars in here. The areas, we're still evolving the area, like we're, you know, we're getting close at the moment for air conditioning. I'm going to put small PowerPoints in, sort of just make it a bit more user friendly.
What are we putting on this wall?
I think, you know, I wouldn't mind putting a big TV on there, you know, something for those days where we need to do a bit of editing, you know, have a few brewskis.
Have a little bit of fun after a hard day's work.
Bit of fun.
Right.
The roof has been raised. It is 2.5, 2.6 to the roof, so we can fit a lot of lifted vehicles in here if I need to.
What do I notice that's not in here that we do have plans for?
So we do have I do have an area at the back because it is obviously a drive-through. I've got a 6x6 slab at the back. We're looking at extending that in the new year, all undercover, fit a lift out the back, bit more room for storage, a bit more of a dirty area, sort of dirty work area, grinding, welding if we need to. Be able to put the car in lift, pull the gearboxes out. Just do what we need to do without having to be confined to the floor in here, and trying to keep this area a bit nicer. But yeah, so just keep bench over here, little tools, cleaning products, fuses, wiring. Pretty much all your little nibs and nabs are in here.
Masking tapes as well.
Yeah, oil masking tape, like strap fuse on the cars down, that kind of stuff. Obviously, so they got engine, they got a speaker up the top here, sound system.
Oh, while we're looking at it, here it is, nice and painted now.
Yeah, we just
nice
finished
and
greasing
cleaned
that
out.
down. Just oiled up all the bores, get it ready for reassembly.
Yeah.
But yeah, the goal is user friendly. Obviously, I live here as well, so try to keep it, not too dirty, but it does the job. We can get a lot done here.
Oh yeah.
There's plans definitely to expand, as you can see out here. The old shed doggos.
Hiddo poppers.
And the old shed doggos out here, they're usually in and out with us.
Yeah. Hey, Yaddy. Here's your buddy. Hey, yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, so looking at expanding this area and getting all this enclosed, moving the sheds out the way. And yeah, getting the hoist out here and be able to store some more cars if we need to, all shaded.
Right, what's the height for out here?
Well, the goal is to get a roof about 3.8, 3.9 high.
Yeah, that's centre though,
The
correct?
Centre, yeah, so probably about 3 metres of the gutters.
So,
Plenty of room for hoists, plenty of room for anything else we need to put in there.
we've already done the measuring today as well by the looks of things, from like about here to middle of the second shed, or third in. The hoist will work out right there very nice. Gives us another 2 spaces for cars if we need to during a bad weather day, and another spot over here as well.
Yeah, I mean, you never have too much undercover area, especially areas to work on cars and whatnot. But yeah, it's ever growing. There's always stuff. We're going to make it more hours and slowly do more and more things to it, make it more user friendly. I think get a big compressor put in here, more power points, all the fun stuff.
Oh yeah. Well, we've had a big day, just getting little things done, and all
Progress.
Yeah.
Progress. Every hour a day, you get the jobs done.
100%. Until then, see you next time.
See you on the next one.
And